We introduced the unique company which has the world-class technology. Japanese technology, essential for industrial robots. Introducing precision ball screws that have world-top class accuracy. Here we at KSS booth. Nice decorative booth in green and black. Getting excited to know what's so special about.
KSS 株式会社さん。こちらが世界に誇る技術ということなんですけれども。
It says new product. Is this the one with world-class technology? Let's find out. Hello?
Hello, how can I help you?
Can you tell me what this is?
This is called Actuator, and it's a mechanical component that is used for transporting things from one place to the another precisely.
Actuators are essential items for various industrial products and machine tools.
このアクチュエーターの中に組み込まれる部品の中で重要な役割を果たすのが
The ball screws are the core component in actuators.
When you rotate the shaft, the nut moves straight. This ball screw is a mechanical component that converts rotary motion into linear motion.
KSS is the one and only miniature ball screw manufacturer. It requires advanced and skilled technique to manufacture ball screws. Smooth and high-precision ball screws are essential for industrial robots and semiconductor manufacturing machines. Let's see how the ball screws are actually installed in the machines. Oh, I think I've seen the machine like this. Now I got more clear idea. But where is the ball screw?
Actually, it's in here.
I see it inside.
Right. This shaft you are looking at is one part of the ball screw, and the other part is called nut, and it has balls in it.
So it's very clear about where and how the ball screw is installed and used in the machine. Now, it's very curious what's inside of the ball screw and how inside looks like. When you take a look at the transparent demo unit, you see balls spinning inside the nut. Wow, I see tiny balls.
Yes, these balls circulate inside the nut endlessly.
Interesting.
These balls make nut rotate rightly and precisely.
I see. These tiny balls are the key element in smooth and micro-level accurate movement of the ball screw. This is KSS, part of exceptional technology. Moreover,
Actually, we have another super technique we want to show you. Let's take a look.
what? I can't see anything. What about this finger? Look closely and carefully in the tip of the finger. Do you see anything? Is this dot?
Exactly.
Unbelievable! How tiny!
This is 0.4 millimeter diameter ball.
This is the world's smallest ball screw with 0.4 millimeters ultra small balls installed. Look at this! Amazing this mini size and this smooth movement. Wait a minute! Isn't it extremely hard to put these balls into the ball screw?
Yes, ball screws are assembled by hand.
You mean artisans assemble one by one?
Absolutely.
KSS is established in 1964 and manufactures products at Ojiya plant in Niigata Prefecture.
ここではさまざまなサイズのボールネジのナットに熟練の技術を持つ
Experienced
職
and
人
skilled
さんによっ
artisans
て
put balls one by one into the nuts.
手作業でボールが組み込まれているんです。
Then let the reporter try to assemble this 0.4 millimeters ultra small balls. And oh no! I lost it. Where did it go? Now, it's very clear that this is professional work and needs lots of skills and techniques.
Right. We are confident that we are a special manufacturer, assembling tiny parts keeping in high precision quality.
I see. So, what is your future vision?
Well, we want to succeed expanding KSS brand in worldwide.
KSS ball screw is one of the greatest Japanese precision techniques. It is stunning how small product rules the world big market. Wow, amazing!
すごい